Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change between languages on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategies, how you can make money online. So there are two ways how you can change between languages. First, if you go to the top of the screen and click on this icon, here you can see that there are three languages for me, and I can select here whichever I would like. So you can do this the same. And if you click on the function key on the keyboard, and then you can change and you can select the language that you would like to be selected. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.